You shouldn't have to be a chemist to take care of your hot tub, and the 5-way test strips turns anyone into a hot tub expert. Included in this bottle are 50 5-way test strips that test a variety of water-related factors. This includes bromine, chlorine, alkalinity, pH, and calcium hardness. How to use. Simply take a strip from the bottle and dip it into your hot tub water for 2 seconds. Pull it out and then place the strip next to the color-coded squares on the side of the bottle to check your water. The 5-way test strips work with most systems such as bromine, chlorine, and salt. Hot tub care is simple and easy to do. The 5-way test strips help you make sure that your water is clean, clear, and ready to use. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and follow us on our social media for more content from Leisure Time.